Good morning, students. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue with EVS 2. Chapter 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. This is part 3. We are going to learn new words which we are going to come across in this part. Shall we start? Attacked. Attacked. A double T A C K E D. Attacked. A double T A C K E D. Attacked. Attention. Attention. A double T E N T I O N. Attention. A double T E N T I O N. Attention. Recommendation. 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 Valiant. 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 Celebrated. 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 Wedding. 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 Decided. 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 Reputation. 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 Returned. 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 Decline. 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 Marriage. 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 Children, this is the content outline of this part, which we are going to study in this part. So we are going to learn about the Bhosles of Verul and about Shahaji Raje. Children, in part 2, I have showed you the family tree of the Bhosles. If you have seen that family tree, you will understand this concept better. Now, Bhosles of Verul. Babaji Raje Bhosle was the head of the Bhosles of Verul. So he was the Patil. Babaji Raje Bhosle was the Patil. And Babaji Raje Bhosle was having two sons. Their names were Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Now Maloji Raje married to Umabai, and was having two sons, Shahaji Raje Bhosle and Sharifji Raje Bhosle. Shahaji Raje Bhosle and Sharifji Raje Bhosle. Shahaji married to Jijabai, and they were having son which was named as Shivaji. So this was the family tree which I explained in part 2. The Bhosles of Verul. Babaji Raje Bhosle was the Patil of Verul village. So he was the head of the Verul village. Now Verul is the name of the village. His son Maloji and Vithoji were brave and enterprising. Now he was having two sons named as Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Now Mughal emperor from north, from Delhi, attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar was his wazir. Now wazir means chief minister. Now Mughal emperor attacked Nizam Shah. As you all know, Adil Shah is from Bijapur and Nizam Shah is from Ahmednagar. And Mughal emperor from north attacked Nizam Shah. Attack means an aggressive action with weapons or armed force. Now this is an image of Malik Ambar, Chief Minister of Nizam Shahi. Nizam Shah conferred the Jagirs of Pune and Supe of Parganas on Maloji Raje. Now as I told you, who was Maloji Raje? Son of Babaji Raje. Now why he conferred the Jagir of Pune and Supe of Parganas on Maloji Raje? Because Maloji Raje was working under Nizam Shahi. Maloji's wife was from the house of Nimbalkars of Fulton. Now here, what do you mean by conferred? It means rights given to someone. Maloji's wife Umabai was from the house of Nimbalkars. Now she became the family member of Bhosles. They had two sons, Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje. Maloji Raje was having two sons, Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje. Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of Indapur. Now children, what do you mean by battle? Battle means fight. Now Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of Indapur. At that time when Maloji Raje died, Shahaji Raje was only 5 years old. Shahaji Raje was very young. Vithoji Raje looked after the children and the Jagir. Now who was Vithoji Raje? He was uncle of Shahaji Raje, who looked after the children as well as the Jagir. Later on, Shahaji married Jijabai, the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Now children, who was Lakhuji Rao Jadhav? He was also a brave Maratha Sardar from Sindhkhed. Jijabai married to Shahaji Raje. Jijabai became the fortune of Bhosle's family. She became the family member of Bhosle's. Children, we will learn about Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man who held great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. He was working for Nizam Shah. Shahaji Raje was working for Nizam Shah, and he was a brave and capable man over there. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Maloji Raje. Now, when Nizam Shah gave some of the Jagir to Maloji Raje. Now Maloji Raje was killed in the battle of Indapur. So he was no more. So Nizam Shah transferred the Jagir to Shahaji Raje. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Now here, what do you mean by conquer? To take a control of a place by military force. Now Mughal emperor was from north. He decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. For this, he made alliance with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now, Mughal emperor wanted to capture or conquer Nizam Shahi. So, he made friendship with Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now both made alliance. Alliance means agreement between both the parties and wanted to conquer Nizam Shahi. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. Now who was Malik Ambar? Wazir of Nizam Shahi. They defeated both the armies, Adil Shahi as well as Mughal emperor. The battle took place at Bhatwadi near Ahmednagar. Sharif Ji was killed in this battle. Now children, who was Sharif Ji? Sharif Ji was Shahaji's brother. Shahaji Raje displayed a great valor. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. Shahaji's reputation was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous about him. Now, Shahaji Raje's reputation was so enhanced, was so praised that even Malik Ambar was feeling jealous about him. As a result, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Because of Malik Ambar, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Here, what do you mean by enhanced? Enhanced means valued. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar. Now, if I explain you this meaning in Hindi, Sar means head and Lashkar means army. It means head of the army, chief of the army. So this title was honored him to whom? Shahaji Raje. The Wazir Malik Ambar died. Fateh Khan, his son, became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. Now Malik Ambar died. Malik Ambar was having son named as Fateh Khan. He became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. But Nizam Shahi began to decline. Decline means continuous loss. At about the same time, there was a threat of Mughal aggression. So, Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. Now here, what is Mughal aggression? It was a feeling of anger. What is appealed? A serious or urgent request. So, Nizam Shah's mother requested Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi and save Nizam Shahi. Therefore, Shahaji Raje returned to Nizam Shahi and left Adil Shahi. Children, we are going to do a quick recap of this part. Babaji Raje Bhosle was the Patil of Verul village. His sons Maloji and Vithoji caught the attention of Malikambar, the Wazir of Nizam Shah. Nizam Shah conferred the Jagirs of Pune and Supe on Maloji Raje. Shahaji Raje and Sharifji were the sons of Maloji Raje. Shahaji Raje Bhosle inherited the Jagir of his father. He was married to Jijabai, the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Inherited means received after the death of the previous holder. Shahaji Raje and Malikambar defended Ahmednagar. Antagonism with Malikambar led to Shahaji Raje joining the court of Adil Shah, who honored him with the title of Sarlashkar. After the death of Malikambar and on the appeal of Nizam Shah's mother, Shahaji Raje returned to Ahmednagar to save Nizam Shah as well as Nizam Shahi against the Mughal aggression. Children, we will start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Now options are in front of you. You have to just tick it. Dash was the capable Wazir of Nizam Shah. Now children, options are in front of you. Who was the capable Wazir of Nizam Shah? Yes, Malikambar was the capable Wazir of Nizam Shah. So the correct answer is Malikambar. Shahaji Raje got the title of Sarlashkar from whom? From Adil Shah. Correct answer is Adil Shah. Name the following. Who fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi? Who saved Nizam Shahi? Who fought for Nizam Shahi? Yes, Malikambar and Shahaji Raje. Second one. Who appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi? Who requested Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi? Nizam Shah's mother. Let's see all the answers. Yes. Who fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi? Malikambar and Shahaji Raje. Who appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi? Nizam Shah's mother. Thank you.